Welcome to BIA Textiles, Jordan's first and largest fabric mill, inaugurated by His Majesty King Abdullah II. A young, dynamic mill, redefining excellence in textiles. Designed for precision and scale, our facility integrates modern technology, innovation, and efficiency across every stage of production. With over 200 knitting machines and advanced finishing units, BIA delivers diverse fabrics, from warp knits and jerseys to fleece, terry, and specialty textiles, balancing performance with sustainability. As part of classic fashion, we provide a 360-degree solution, from yarn to ready-to-sell apparel. This seamless integration ensures speed, quality, and reliability for leading global brands. At BIA, our people and the planet come first. From worker well-being and inclusive culture to eco-friendly dyeing and renewable energy, sustainability and responsibility are at the core of everything we do. BIA Textiles, weaving innovation, sustainability, and excellence into every fabric. The pride of Jordan, trusted worldwide.